What's up guys, Sal here. So we have been talking about the Galaxy Note 10 for months now. We know almost everything there is to know about the handset. We saw first hands-on images. We also saw official marketing materials. But we haven't actually seen a live video of the handset yet. But that's gonna change today, because for the first time today, we are getting a look at the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in a video. It has been captured in a subway. I don't know what's with smartphone leaks and subway. I mean, if you have noticed, almost all of the smartphone leaks happen in a subway. Anyway, there's nothing new we can glean from the video, apart from the fact that it looks huge in her tiny hands.
That's what she said.
The phone also has her ID on the screen, which means she might have gotten herself into a big trouble. Yes, it's not her fault that someone made a video of her using the phone and uploaded on the internet, but it's also irresponsible on her part to use an unreleased phone out in a crowded place like a subway. In any case, I hope she doesn't face any repercussion, and most importantly, I hope she doesn't lose her job. Anyway, the phone is in a case and is black in color, but there will be other color options as well if black isn't really your thing. Other options include white, pink, blue, red, and this gradient finish. Of course, the availability of these colors will vary depending on the region. That being said, we're just a couple of days away from the Unpacked event. I heard a very good news about the Note 10 Plus relating to its inbox accessories, which I can't really share right now, but you'll know soon enough, just 2 days. Samsung made the Galaxy Watch Active 2 official today. At first sight, it looks exactly like the first generation Galaxy Watch Active, but there are some significant changes both in design and features. A lot of Samsung fans were unhappy when Samsung removed the rotating bezels last year. Samsung was listening to all of the complaints though, so they brought it back this year. Albeit the thin black bezel around the display is now touch sensitive and emulates the functionality of the rotating bezel that a lot of us really liked. That said, the biggest feature of this watch is hands down the ECG sensor, similar to the one we have on the Apple Watch. The feature has proven to save so many lives on the Apple Watch, so I'm really glad that Samsung is bringing it to the Android side as well. The problem is it won't be activated right out of the box. Samsung needs some certification, and once they get it, they'll enable the feature with a software update. Also, the watch supports 39 activities and has better sensors, so if you are a health-centric person, then this watch will improve your experience. Also, another big feature is this watch is now independent of your phone. I mean, it comes with LTE connectivity, so you can use it without pairing it with your phone. Of course, there will be a non-LTE version too, which will surely have a lower price tag. Also, you can control your phone with this watch. You can open the camera, take pictures, and even watch photos right from your watch. You can also play YouTube videos on this tiny screen.
Damn!
You can also use Twitter, Google Translate, and much more. If you want a smartwatch to pair with your Android phone, then this is your best bet. That being said, if you want to keep updated with all the Note 10 coverage, then please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.